Okay, before we take a look at the welding, let's just look again at how MiG welding works. So here's a setup or a drawing of the MiG welder that we've just been looking at, and we've got here is the cylinder of inert gas, which is CO2 and argon mix. In the MiG welder, we have a drum of steel wire which is fed to the torch by the motor mechanism. And there's the welding torch there. When the trigger on the welding torch is pulled, so when the trigger is pulled, the wire, the motor, the two pulleys that you can see feed the torch, and the wire is fed forward into the torch, and the wire then feeds out of the nozzle in the center of the torch. So let's take a closer look at the actual torch here. And we can see here that the torch here's a cutaway view of the torch during the actual welding. And we have a gas nozzle there, and you can see that gas nozzle cut away, and it shows the green arrows show the gas, the inert gas, which then comes down and forms what we call a gas shield. So the area inside the blue lines is a shield of inert gas that stops the weld, the steel in the weld, reacting with the oxygen in the atmosphere. So the inert gas causes a shield which protects the weld from the oxygen in the atmosphere. And there, of course, is the arc of the arc weld. That then melts the steel wire which is fed in, like we saw before, which creates the weld that you can see joining the two pieces below there. So now we can have a look and see this actually working.